Prices are rising, jobs are at risk, and your money isn't stretching like it used to. So what's going on? And more importantly, how do you protect your finances from what's coming? In this video, we will be breaking down what is causing this financial economic pressure and smart moves you can make today to protect your wallet, your income, and your peace of mind. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trauma Media, your go-to for simple, smart strategy to build wealth, save money, and survive any financial storm. If you are new here, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell because we are breaking down real solutions every week. Today's topic is serious. Inflation is projected to hit 3.7%, driven by new tariffs and global market instability. But you don't have to panic. You just need a plan. What is really happening in the economy? So, what do you think is causing this sudden spike in price? New US tariffs has increased the cost of imported goods. Businesses pass those costs to the consumers. That's why food and energy bills are rising. Inflation erodes purchasing power, meaning your money buys less. Economics warns of wage stagnation and possible layoff in affected industry. This isn't fear, it's reality, and the sooner we face it, the better prepared we will be. Here are some financial moves you need to make to rebuild your finances. How do? You have to boost your emergency fund. If you don't have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, now this time, start small. Even 10% of your salary or income can do that for you. Keep your emergency fund in a high yield savings account. Cut down expenses like subscription. Your Netflix, Spotify, gym membership are using all of them. You will be shocked how much money you are losing monthly on invisible expenses. So that will be wise for you to go through it. If possible, use automated apps to cut it down. Use Truebill or Rocket Money to identify any cancel unused subscription. You need to relocate that cash to savings or debt repayments. Shop smart to beat inflation. With food prices rising, your grocery strategies matter more than ever. Use cashback apps like Ibota and the rest to fetch reward. Shop generic brands and plan meals around discounts. Also consider buying bulk on perishable or non-perishable goods when prices are low. Another one is for you to increase your income stream. Yes, you cannot keep on depending on one income stream. One extra income stream could be the lifesaver that will save you during this tough time. Another one, you have to review your budget weekly. Don't set and forget your budget. Adjust it like a thermostat. When life gets hotter, you have to scrutinize your budget. How do you do that? You need to budget. You need to schedule your budgeting. Maybe 15 minutes weekly in yourself or your partner or your family. You have to also track the category of your budgeting, like your feeding, health, and so on and so forth. You know, economic stress impacts more than just your wallet. It hits your peace of mind, your family, and your focus. So practicing mindfulness or journaling, jotting down to stay grounded is the key. Talk openly about money with your loved one. Silence breeds stress. Don't suffer alone. Free financial counseling can also help you. The economy gets tighter before it gets better, but those who adapt win. Always stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, take action now while others are still reacting. If you have or get value from this video, hit the like button so more people can protect their finances too. Comment below what's one thing you will be doing differently to prepare for this financial future. And do not forget to subscribe. Next week, we'll be diving into how to multiply your income stream in 2025. Even if you've got zero startup capital, you don't want to miss it, right? Bye.